This is a reminder for each and every one of us that God is able to provide. He is able to give you food even in the midst of uncertainty. And you know what? While I was rereading this text, I was reminded that this miracle na nagbigay ang Lord ng manna from heaven, ng tinapay from heaven, was no small miracle. This is not a one-day miracle. Hindi po ito basta maliit na milagro. Ito po yung klase ng milagro na tinatawag ko pong logistical impossibility. Bakit po siya logistical impossibility? Kasi po pag tinignan nyo po, ang bansang nilabas ng Lord sa Ehipto, halos 2 milyong tao po yun. Ilang tao po? 2 milyon. At sa 2 milyong tao na yon, never silang ginutom ng Lord sa loob ng 40 taon. Imagine ninyo, almost 2 million people, walang drive-thru, walang harina, walang raw material, walang refrigerator, walang palya. Pinakain ng Panginoon araw-araw. Sinustain ng Panginoon araw-araw. Imagine po ba ninyo, 4 million kilograms ng pagkain araw-araw ang bumabagsak mula sa langit. 4 million. Hindi kailangan ng Grab driver kasi dinideliver at their doorstep. Hindi kailangan ng Food Panda kasi free delivery. Mula doon sa langit. 4 million kilograms. I-times mo po yan sa 40 years. Tens of billions of kilograms of food ang pinadala ng Panginoon para sila ay pakainin. Think about it. Walang ref, walang inventory, walang warehouse, walang emergency supply. Wala silang supplier ng mantika, wala silang supplier ng import, pero never silang binigo ng Panginoon. Kasi alam nyo, kung ang Diyos makakalimot kahit isang araw lang, sigurado kong maraming magugutom at marami ang magko-complain. Pero ang Diyos talaga, hindi lang enough. He is more than enough. And what God supplied for them was enough for everyone to be fed. Think about this church. Sa loob ng 40 years, walang ni-report na nagkaroon ng malnutrition sa disyerto. Walang malnutrition because your God is enough. He is enough to supply for all our needs. Palapakan natin ang ating Panginoon.